Wanna play fish? Go get it! I got the ball in my hand. What's this? Go get it! I'm teasing him. Go get it! You're so funny, Sparky! Literally! Whoa! Where did my baby go? There you are.
That's going to help those temperatures bounce back here.
Sparky, you love me? Fine, I'll try to find your tennis ball. You don't want to share that one. I cannot believe this. My dog's a brat. My dog's a brat. Because he really is. Yeah. Gotta get out of here and look for my oh, and one of those Christmas balls for the tree. But I won't use those. Okay, I'll just set the camera down. Becky, ball. Hey, babe. What are you doing? You have a mouthful of ball. Yeah, you do. Give me this. Give me. Do you know when to stop? I'm gonna have to squeeze it unless to get it out of the mouth, because then it will compress and he won't even know it's going down. So I can. Please, can I have the ball? Okay, you're getting cranky. Okay, I'll leave you to your beings. Just calm down and sit there. Good dog. I'm gonna have to find some other ball. He has wait, someone forgot to put on his collar. Hey, Sparky, you want your collar? I'm gonna put on your collar, Sparky. Why? Wait, can you stop moving so I can put on the collar?